In today's video, I am going to teach you 5 ways to check if you have really been blocked on WhatsApp. Because WhatsApp protects user privacy. There isn't a single alert that tells you you've been blocked. Instead, you look for a combination of signs. I will walk you through each one, explain what to look for, and point out common misunderstandings so you don't jump to conclusions too quickly. Remember, any one sign by itself can be caused by settings or connectivity. But several together paint a clearer picture. Start by checking the last seen or online status. Open your chat with the person and look under their name. If you used to see online, or a timestamp like last seen today, and now nothing appears at all, that can indicate a block. However, people can hide their last seen and online status for privacy, or set it so only certain contacts can view it. So treat this as a clue, not final proof. Next, look at their profile photo. If their picture suddenly disappears or never updates anymore, that might mean you've been blocked. It could also mean they removed their photo or changed who can view it. Sometimes, WhatsApp caches old images. So a stale photo that never refreshes can also be a hint. Consider whether they recently changed phones or numbers, which can also affect what you see. Now, send a short message and watch the delivery ticks. On WhatsApp, 1 gray check means sent to the server. 2 gray checks mean delivered to the recipient's phone, and 2 blue checks mean read. If read receipts are enabled. If your messages show only a single gray check for an extended period and never move to 2 checks, that's a stronger sign of a block. That said, a switched-off phone, no data connection, or an uninstalled app can temporarily cause the same behavior. Try placing a WhatsApp call. If you are blocked, your call won't actually connect to the other person. You may see it trying to ring without ever going through. Keep in mind that poor signal, do not disturb, or a powered off device can also prevent calls from connecting. So it's best to test at different times before deciding. Finally, attempt to add the contact to a WhatsApp group you create. If you get a message like "couldn't add," that usually confirms a block. In some cases, privacy settings about who can be added to groups can interfere. But a consistent "couldn't add" for that specific person is a strong indicator. If you notice most or all of these signs at once, it's likely you've been blocked. Respect people's choices and privacy, and avoid repeated attempts to contact someone who doesn't wish to be reached. Thanks for watching.